If you want to see how I turn this into this, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be making salmon balls. You see I've got my salmon and my green seasoning right here. Let's get started, guys. This is the finished product, guys. Yummy salmon balls in spicy sauce with white rice, avocado and lettuce, and tomatoes. If you'd like to see how I made the sauce, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out and see y'all in the next video.